Omunyeshenjero wa Mbarara City South Honorable Mwine Mpaka agire ngo kwegesa abaana emirimo ei barikukora na munonga k'ebyobushubuzi ni kikuru mu kuhwera abaana kwebisaho mu biro by'omumaisho.
Umuhindi nabaire eduuka omwana kihumura omwana muto muduuka yega kubalansinga ebitabo ayega kukora receipt omwana kigaruka ishomero agenda ine information
Ishomero eri Honorable Mwine Mpaka agizire ngo n'ekyo bugiga ky'amaani ekiriyo nikiweera abeegi hamwe n'abantu boona.
Investing on stage ishomero gabe ly'ahandi nindi abakyapasons bali ahona n'abakansala mukakora yakore lyabo business yawe kokotireti
Amukoro guhona kendera kahura Azaria hojekira abeegi bagenzi be asimira abaziire abashomesa hamwe n'abakama bishomera abo kubareberera no kubegesa kwenda ngo nabo bakagasira ihanga nyinshi kare.
Teachers from baby class to primary 7. Thank you for your care and love. This is a unique school where nurturing children is a priority.
Chobutungi Zainabu umwe hari bakama bishomero yashaba abaziire kutwara obujunaanizibwa bakareberera abaana baabo omu kihumuro.
So, I know you need time with them, but you can decide to bring a child every day and you get most of the time with your child. If you decide to bring back the child to come and sleep here, it's okay. So parents who have the short journeys, you want to travel for a week, you want to travel for a month, you want to go for Umrah, please, and you're not at Pam is where you're going to leave your child, the door is open, Mama Zainabu is here to do her work. This is the beginning. Takajira utwahika. Bayajinenta ndikwa. She's waiting. You're going to open wanje. Ejinenta ndikwa. Esumuishi kwere chocho kureba. Chine biji elikuchukuma. Tumanishera. So you must take care. Kusamani gawe. Ureke kumwanyoku. Nukuyojera kukura. Echintu changu halichemera.
Amakuru agasha kwa Ian akankwasa omuri Mbarara.